Hi guys, good morning. It's a Sunday morning and I've decided to go for cycling. Hi! Say hi to vlog.
Hi vlog!
This is so good. I don't have my camera, so we are back to phone vlogging. We cycled for 50 minutes, which is not the best, but I was cycling after a really long time and I was like, I don't want to push myself too much. And now we are at third wave to quickly grab a bite. This is so good, guys. My body feels so fresh and nice and ready for like Sunday, and now I'm super hungry and I'm also really dehydrated because I've not had water since hours, so quickly gonna have that. We have left third wave and now we are at Blue Tokai because third wave didn't have matcha.
Coconut matcha, which I didn't know Blue Tokai had.
Oh, they have smoothies also. Okay, Blue Tokai is better. They also have bagel. Jokes on us because they also did not have matcha. So we've called for a berry smoothie. It looks good. I hope it tastes good. It's good, it's good. Came back home. I actually came back home a while ago and I'm just gonna clean a little. I was laying in my bed for a little while, like literally 20-30 minutes, and now I need to just like do a quick cleaning spree before I take a shower. Also, my balloons from my birthday are still up there. I think it's time now that I remove my birthday balloons. So we're gonna do that as well. I need to show you all the number of flowers I have in my house right now. It's insane, it's madness. I'm gonna remove it today, maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna keep them today, maybe tomorrow I'll remove because most of them are like dying now, but it looks so pretty. It's low-key embarrassing that we are gonna enter June and I've not even finished one book. Like, I can't believe I'm saying this because my target for this year was 4 books and 6 months have almost passed by and I've not even completed one book, but it's okay. So my plan is that before May ends, this book has to be finished. Just like 2-3 chapters are left, and in the next 3 months I'm gonna read 3 books no matter what. So right now I'm just gonna read for like a while, maybe 1 or 2 chapters, while having my coconut water, which I'm having after so long, my nariyal pani. It's hitting. It's nice, fresh and cold, so I think it's perfect. Let me quickly read though because I have to take a shower and I have to get ready and I have to go. I am all ready. We are going to guess where. Nothing new. A mall. This is the 5th time fourth time I'm going to a mall like in this week, but today we are not going for my anything. Please, Mister, tell why we are going the mall. Don't lie, don't lie. We're not going for
Okay,
my
fine.
shopping.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine. We're
don't lie.
going for my shopping. I'm flying to the US, so I need good clothes to wear.
Imagine so stupid. You should have bought from here or something.
No.
Yeah.
But-
You're going to US, you buy from US.
But there's only one brand I buy from.
Uniqlo. So you have to go to Japan. We are in the mall, and first things first, we have to do lunch. It's almost 2 o'clock, so it's lunch time. We are at Pizza Express. We've called for 2-3 things, and they have recently, I think, upgraded their menu. They've added so many new things, so I'm excited to try. I hope it's good because I'm really hungry. Even Anik is so hungry, so we want to like dive right in. It's a little bit later, so I came back and I slept. Now, well, I was feeling so tired because of all the biking and then so much of walking due to shopping, etc. It was so hot. I just felt so exhausted, and I felt like I needed like a nap, and that nap turned out to be like a 2-hour nap. And I'm not complaining because I really feel good now. I feel light, I feel nice, and I want to spend the rest of my day slow, calm, and yeah, I just want to enjoy my Sunday. Tomorrow is work day, and that's also fun. I'm really grateful that I get to do all of that. Also, we are back to phone vlogging because the DJI is not mine. The camera that you all see is not mine yet. Like, I'm also supposed to purchase it, but I'm just delaying it, and it barely uses his, so I just take it from him. But because he's flying to SF tonight, he's taking it with him, so he took the camera. I'm so sad. I love that camera, and hopefully I'm gonna buy it super soon for myself. But the only thing is that I'm so scared that I'll buy and then we'll just have these 2 cameras and only one of them will be used, or maybe like later something else will come and then you buy that. So I don't want to hoard too many cameras because right now also the 2 Canon cameras I have, I don't use them that often and they're just there. So I don't want to buy other equipments and just have them lying here and there. And yeah, that's like a quick update. I'm gonna maybe hydrate myself, make something. Oh my god, I can make matcha for myself. Yes, I'm making matcha for myself. Yes, I need it. I've called for a few things. Even the oat milk was not there. Let me just quickly take everything out. You know what, today I'm going to show you all how I make my matcha. You all ask me this all the time. We will need oat milk, matcha powder. Today I'm using this one from Mizame. I've not even opened it. And some sweetener. You can use honey, you can use date syrup, stevia, or anything. Honestly, it's up to you. Let me first open this. It's always best to use matcha which comes in a tin, so it will not like get stale or something, like it'll last longer. Oops. I usually take like 2 to 3 scoops of matcha powder, and then you're gonna like sort of use this, I don't know what, oh my god, I forgot what is this called. I usually warm up the water that I'm going to use for matcha and put my whisk in it for a while so it opens up, and then I don't have like a proper measurement of how much water I put in this, but just make sure it's not too much and it's not too little. Yeah, I think that much is fine. And now I'm gonna start whisking it. The only rule is you don't want to go like this. You want to go like this sideways. So whisk your matcha like this and do it for like 30 to 40 minutes at least, so it gets like frothy. Now I'm just gonna put like this much stevia. That's what I use as a sweetener because I don't like honey, so this is the best thing after that, in my opinion, just to make it like a little sweet, not too much, otherwise you're not gonna feel like the taste of matcha. And now you're gonna whisk it again so everything is like fully blended. I like to use a lot of ice, so if you like your matcha too milky, then go all in with the milk, but I like to fill this like till the second line. And now we're gonna pour in our matcha. Sunset in Mumbai has been incredible lately, and right now it's so good. Like, oh my god, I am blessed that we get to sip our matcha and watch this sunset. Dinner is looking a little sad, but it's like a Caesar salad, which I'm gonna have. It's leftovers from lunch. And yeah, I think I'm gonna play something on my projector, which I absolutely love. Everyone keeps asking me where is it from. It's from Amazon. I will make sure I link it for you guys in the description, but quickly gonna turn that on and maybe put some like music, because I've been rewatching The Summer I Turned Pretty, but I'm already done. Like, I have rewatched it and it's over now, and I don't know which other series I want to watch at the moment, so maybe I'm going to stay away from Netflix and all of these. So what I'm trying to say is that maybe I'll stay away from Netflix and all of this and just play something on YouTube, maybe like some nice music or something. I love like just playing jazz or maybe ballet or something like that while doing anything. It's like my best way of unwinding, and so maybe I'm gonna do that. It would be perfect for like ending Sunday on a sweet, nice, cute note.